Alright, got a big announcement, but you gotta wait till the end of this video to find out.
That look like punk shit. How the fuck I let them sell me some punk shit? That look like punk shit, I wouldn't touch it.
That do no justice. Get in here like lettuce. Cause I'm getting lettuce, how poetic. Sin like medis, sin symbolic. Off the man aesthetics, spin like a cowlick. This is signed product with a chiropractor pin through your fiber optics. That's my prerogative. Attempt to use the AK with shit chaotic. Turn the anatomical model of human bodies. No anabolic been body, but the floors like creatine. Creating water, throw them in it, then I increase the speed. Creasing niggas like jeans, painted like a dog. Planet of the apex, I take the sex ball. City full of kings, but it also so savage. Cut the coke habit, flow go gadget. Causing the caddies, strive for the very best. Tear threats, verified, wear a vest. Swear kept, secrets very bottle like a fucking true Ceramis. A dude time I'm out in North Sierra Mist. She a brick house, like a pyramid. She on a period, I'm in her mouth like experiment. And my experiment to stab you in the heart, put you in the cart, wrap you in the tart. Rappers need to start realizing we gargantuan. Get intense regardless of what camp you in.
That look like punk shit, that look like punk shit. How the fuck I let them sell me some punk shit? That look like punk shit, I wouldn't touch it.
That do no justice.
My favorite color's green, and my other favorite's blue. I don't even have to try when every other sentence make you question your profession. Guess the rap is not for you like bitch. That was red G. Put a playing card on the wheel of my 10 speed. I'm a badass, don't tempt me. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Another stretch though, giving me a tense flow. Teeth marks all over my pencil. Spit a dope 6 and don't know how the rest go. Don't know how the rest go like bitch.
That look like punk shit, that look like punk shit. How the fuck I let them sell me some punk shit?
Shit is bunk like stacking up the beds. Bought a bag last week and it was weak, so if you see my drug dealer, smack him in the head. Holler at your boy wildin' out up in Chicago, Illinois. Yeah, I'm slick with a quote, quick with a quip. Get a grip like a pistol equipped with a clip. My click will eclipse yours lickety split. Got a spliff and a lit torch licking my lips. Zach reap what he sow. Reach for the sky, fell asleep in the snow, then sneezed on the pile. My team finna go from deep in the cove to the peak of the globe. In the blink of an eye, you can read what I wrote. Put the beat in the flow, finna keep me afloat. I'm a deviant soul, somebody feed me a roll. No.
Look, this nigga sold me some mid-grade. I knew the difference is 10th grade. 10 speed ride in Arizona, sippin' slide. Any bitch feeling this vibe, shit dilated eyes while I finger them privates. Turned it to a like, and I tell you how the pie tastes. A Pisces, why the drip and sip a post-sight. Might be a knife in a cup, might die. Pay the price of a nigga think they bout that life. Who the fuck got the ice, man? I'm too cold for life. That do no justice.
I'm certain we're only buying it cause of Bugs Bunny. Turning our allowance into drug money. This is dedicated to the kids that never made it. This Gucci medicated generation getting faded. Rip a page out of history, living enslaved to the system. Fuck justice, just finna puff my piff. Term spit with a firm grip on his dick. Middle finger up like bitch, like bitch.
I be on top of it, snake face be rap game apocalypse. Steamer, I hop in it, shirt from the thrift, bitch, I'm rocking it. Hollow tip, all of your politics black. Where pussy ass rappers, y'all fool. Snake face click, we the motherfucking doo-doo. Stepped off the stool, cut the motherfucking loose. 12 gauge pump, hunting ducks, sipping goose, true. And who the fuck tryna step up? No flags, boy, you can lose up on a catch up. Been telling y'all since time, been messed up. 30 round mag, bout to lace your fucking neck up, bitch.
That look like punk shit, that look like punk shit. How the fuck I let them sell me some punk shit? That look like punk shit, I wouldn't touch it.
That do no justice.
Alright, so I forgot to finish my vlog because I blew up my GoPro. So the big announcement is I got sponsored by 7-7 for lipos. So there's going to be a lot of test videos come up. You've already seen my 7-inch test with the 6S 1550 right there. I don't know if it's going to focus. But yeah, I'm sponsored, so that code that I've been putting out, recklessfpv, is actually a permanent code. So go to 7-7.com and get a discount on these crazy lipos. True 130C. These are beasts. I have been flying these lipos down to like 3.1 a cell every time, and they're beauty. They keep charging, they keep punching out crazy power, so definitely check them out. They are working on getting into Canada soon, so definitely be ready for that. They're not in Canada yet. But yeah, all my US buddies, definitely check these lipos out. You will be very impressed. 7-7. Use my code recklessfpv. Flip the fucking bird. Check it.